Welcome to Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn the process of checkout of the guest. The checkout option is used to settle guest account, record payment, print folios, and automatically adjust room inventory when the guest checks out of the room. User can proceed checkout from dashboard, departures, and billing. To check out the guest from cashiering, select billing. Search the guest by room number or guest name and click on it to access billing screen. On billing screen, user will be able to see total bill, paid, pending, and deposit. If user has received deposit, user can convert it to payment by clicking on deposit button. User can create multiple windows if guests require separate bills as per transaction. User can select GST number as per guest preference. User can post the charges if required. To settle the bill, click on Payment. Select Payment Type. Numerah will automatically take the pending amount by default to bring the balance to zero. User can add payment by multiple payment mode. Enter the remarks if any. Click on Save or Save and Exit button to save the details. User can return the payment in case of excess payment. Print the folio if required. Guest can review a folio invoice after showing the checkout. User will not be able to change anything in guest folio. Click on Checkout button and confirm it by clicking on Yes. User can only proceed for checkout if the guest balance is zero. Click on Invoice to print the bill, or user can send the bill through email by clicking on Send an email. Numerah will automatically take profile's email address. User can change the email address if required. Click on Submit button to send the invoice. Thank you.